so high, looking down dusty ground, red cliffs all around, beauty without a sound, over rivers that flow free, rainforests reaching far, sunset fading slow, peaceful places where we are, drones soaring up above, whispered winds of love. In this county we behold stories of the old, tumbleweeds rolling slow, shadows growing slim, the world below in glow as the light dims. Eagles soaring by in the reddish sky so wide, nature singing song underneath the evening tide. Silent moments there, captured from the air, memories to keep in the heart so deep. Tumbleweeds rolling slow, shadows growing slim, the world below in glow as the light dims. Eagles soaring by in the reddish sky so wide, nature singing soft underneath the evening tide. Silent moments there, captured from the air, memories to keep in the heart so deep.
Green fields, blue sea, dusty deserts looking down from high, the world passed by. Green fields, blue sea, dusty stars kissing the night goodbye. Bright city far below the ground, our imaginations know no bounds. Clouds forming shapes in evening hues, dancing lights until morning's cue. From skyscraper peaks to ocean shore, every moment a chance to explore. Rise up, take the flight, feel the magic of the night. Let your dreams take you away in this dazzling city ballet. Whispers of the moonlight near, echoes of a world so clear, glimmering lights, stories unfold as the city's heart beats bold. Above the streets, above the cars, every glow, a secret only we can know. Rise up, take the flight, feel the magic of the night. Let your dreams take you away, in the stars and city.